sweet, huh?
Well, yeah, ako rin naman. If I was, let's say if I was in another country at birthday ko, I wish somebody would come to me, especially if I haven't gone home for quite a while.
My brother would probably do that for me. After ko padala yung pamasahe sa kanya.
Yung kapatid mo sa Chicago. No?
Ganun ka sweet yun.
Tingnan mo ang percentage ng rain or shine sa free throw. 2 out of 9, 22%. And those free throws that they miss are gonna hurt them. They're down by 7 right now.
26-19. Score in favor of the Llamados. And here's Laure JRS for 3. In and out. And Jai Lewis with the rebound. I mean, you really need to have 2-3 guys on Jai Lewis off the boards.
Well, I think they have a lot of big men on Derby Ace Llamados. And look at them acknowledge the foul. This guy missed 3 free throws earlier already. So sa loob-loob nila, you just keep on going to the free throw line. We're going to give you layups underneath the basket. You have to prove that you can make free throws, and there, that was clean as a whistle there. And Artadi coming into the ballgame.
Well, Artadi did not start this game for the first time in the Fiesta Conference, so he's coming off the bench for the first time in the tournament. Samantalang si Jai Lewis naman is a 69% free throw shooter.
That's 3 out of 11 for their team. We've got over 20%.
Ingris Artadi. 11 to shoot para sa B-Meg Derby Ace. They're up by 6. Cliff Brown back in the game.
Brown looking for a foul there somewhere sa loob-loob niya. Bakit bago ako dito?
Hindi pa ako kilala rito. But it's tough. He's trying to back down Jai Lewis. May mahirap ata yun. There's Canaleta. Shot clock winding down. Short. Brown with the rebound. And Jai Lewis takes the ball away, but it will stay with Llamados. Somebody's on the floor. I think that's
like
Eddie Laure.
Yes, he might have hurt his knee there in a collision probably with Canaleta. You can see him holding to a small part.
Eddie Laure entered the league in 2003. Right now, being attended to. We all hope he's okay. Laure, laro din yan para sa Pure Foods. Yes. Laro din for Shell and Alaska. It's been around.
Nakapag-champion pa yata yan sa Alaska, if I'm not mistaken. A role player coming off the bench.
Now he's going back to the bench. We'll give you an update on his condition in a moment.
There goes Leah. Look at the way she walks. Huh?
What about it?
No, later I was gonna say, look at the way she talks.
Okay.
Buti na lang, she has nothing. She can't hear us.
Yeah. Here's Canaleta, Artadi, and Aliado. Aliado, top of the key. Aliado goes inside, and the drive is productive, and he has 4 points off the bench.
I really like, a lot of people said about Don that he's immature at times. He's always had that star mentality. Pero nung pumunta siya sa Pure Foods and then Derby Ace, he had to come down because there are a lot of other stars in that team. And in the beginning, maybe he had a hard time adjusting, but ngayon nakuha na niya. No?
And there's Aliado sacrificing his body on defense, causing that turnover, and now B-Meg Derby Ace up by 8. They have the basketball with over 7 minutes remaining in the first half. Artadi, Canaleta, and a swipe by JRS.
Well, Coach Calay Garcia put Norwood in to guard Canaleta because Canaleta had a couple of jump shots already. JRS just strong. One more time, still strong.
Furious battle for the rebound. It's going to be a loose ball foul against Jervy Cruz.
First foul, first team foul called against Rain or Shine. Nino Canaleta being replaced now by James Schaap. Different assignments because now it's Sol Mercado going off to James Schaap. And Norwood has to pick up the point guard. He's been doing that, if you notice, even against Roger Yap. He picked him up earlier.
There's Brown. 12 to shoot. Pull up. Good. And now it's a double-digit lead para sa B-Meg Derby Ace. 30-20. 7 minutes to go in the first half. Jai Lewis, easy two.
Well, Elasto din mo yung nag-give up another foul because masyado nang malalim. It would be a 3-point play in the making.
We're nearing the halfway mark of the second quarter. James Yap back in the game, now guarded by Gabe Norwood. James Yap hand off. Brown with a slam.
One thing that good players like James Yap, when they can shoot outside, they can also penetrate. They can create situations for their teammates.
Here's Mercado. Reyes to Norwood. Norwood inside. Cruz inside. Yes.
Well, players just gotta adjust. Yung konting banging of the body, hindi tatawag ng foul ng referee, which I like, you know, and I think a lot of basketball fans like. So you have to adjust. But somebody's hurt here again.
It's Gabe Norwood this time. And helped up by Jay Reyes and Don Aliado.
Flopping called against him. Warning.
And here's our Yakut slam dunk. Which happened earlier. A nice pass from James Yap. And a nice slam coming from Cliff Brown, who now has 10 points in this ball game.
Marami na tayo nakikitang slam dunk.
And there's a warning on Rain or Shine head coach Caloy Garcia for
Manos na sila ni Ryan.
resentment to a call.
Manos na sila. Quits.
Quits. And James Yap connects.
No quitting here on the part of James.
Cruz.
Ang galing talaga ng footage.
Oh,
pero
nice help defense.
Great help by Mark Pingris.
And we have a timeout for the Llamados. Norwood and company trailing by 10 points here in the second quarter.
Some of your PBA superstars work hard to give pride to the Philippines. You too can bring glory to the country. Vote wisely. This is Paul Artadi of the B-Meg Derby Ace Llamados. Vote the right leaders and make our country proud.
Ayan,
It's not easy leading a team as a coach.
Oy, may narinig po tayo doon. Pero tama si Paul Artadi. Sa Lunes po, you have a right to vote. Exercise your right to vote. Para po meron kayong say sa kinabukasan ng ating bansa.
Dapat. You know, it's very important stage in our life. I think especially for mga bata, no? Medyo may edad na ako eh.
Para sa aming mga bata.
Oh, tama. Tama. Kayong dalawa ni Leah.
Speaking of Leah, ano ang balita kay Eddie Laure?
Tayong dalawa ni Leah.
Mga tayong mga kabataan. Tama yan.
So si Eddie Laure actually, kabataan din yan in my opinion. Now, he actually suffered a sprain on his right ankle. Tinapakan daw siya di Canaleta. So they're icing it up right now. They're giving him pain reliever and they'll retape his foot and then we'll see if he can come back in the ball game. Back to you, my fellow kabataan.
Oh, ilang buwan lang naman ng lamang sa akin ni Leah sa edad. I told you I'm poor in mathematics. Here's Brown.
You're not only poor, you failed.
J.R. Reyes with the rebound. 5.5 remaining in the first half. It's a 34-26 game para sa B-Meg Derby Ace.
Marcy Arellano seeing action for the first time in this ball game. He hasn't been used by Coach Caloy Garcia in a long time. But this is another player that can really play under control. You know?
J.R. Reyes goes behind the back. Jai Lewis with a long one.
He's taking a lot of outside shots. He's missing a lot of free throws. You know, they could easily have been tied or maybe in the lead because they have had some good opportunities.
Oh, the stretch.
Oh.
James Yap, no go. Cliff Brown can't get the rebound, but he actually gets it. Great hustle by the Llamados import.
They like the energy.
Getaway. A getaway para kay James Yap, and he has 6 points.
Back to a 10-point lead here para sa Derby Ace Llamados.
Is Jerez really Adukun absorbing the impact of that collision. You notice guys like Adukul, Aliado, they used to be marquee players. They used to be star players. Now they are embracing the roles in this Llamados team.
There are too many good players on that team.